Storix Animals. Bears Hunt. Written by Shannon Bratton. Read by the Happy Teacher. A bear goes on a hunt. Where are you going? The bear and the ant go on a hunt. Where are you going? The bear, the ant, the bird, and the alligator go on a hunt. No food. There is an apple. They share the big apple. The end.